Hello everyone, I am Shubhrapal. I am going to present the poster titled An Ensemble Forecasting Model for Predicting Behavior and Contribution of the Food Donors. Hunger and food insecurity are present in each American county. Food banks are non-profit hunger relief organizations that collect donations from donors and distribute food to local agencies, which serve people in need. The uncertainty of donation is a challenging for the food banks. In this research, we analyze local food bank donation data and propose a predictive model to forecast the contribution of different donors, which an ensemble model. Our study shows the necessary behavioral attributes to classify donors and the best way to cluster donor data to improve the prediction model. For-profit organizations like Walmart, Amazon, they most emphasize 5 attributes for selecting and evaluation their supplier. Those attributes are on-time delivery, quality, number of product in portfolio, consistency, and delivery location. We don't find any research those are emphasized on this type of attributes for non-profit organization. In this research, we define 7 donor behavioral attributes for non-profit organization, similar like for-profit organization. Those are reliability, wastage percentage, donation product variety, receipt quantity, service score, affiliation with Feeding America, and quality score. Within these attributes, only affiliation is categorical, other attributes are numerical. We use 3 fiscal year data to analyze and define these behaviors. We created 17 scenarios based on attributes for clustering donors. We are using K-mean cluster and modified K-mean cluster for clustering donors based on their attributes. K-means cluster used when all attributes are numeric, and modified K-means cluster used when numeric and categorical attributes are used. We use 6 forecasting models such as moving average, exponential smoothing, naive, seasonal naive, ARIMA, and support vector regression. And after that, we proposed an ensemble method. Our research shows that the K-means clustering scenarios performs better than the K-mediate cluster. That means it is better not to use categorical attributes to cluster donors. We also found a positive correlation between donation variability and MAP. That means when coefficient of variation of donation amount is increased, MAP also increased. Finally, our studies concluded that quality score is the best way to cluster donor and predict their donation because the average MAP is lowest. This research will help non-profit organizations to evaluate their donor behavior and donation pattern. Our model will help them to take better decisions for their operation and distributions. Thank you, everyone.